Hey guys, we're doing Upper Deck Supreme Hardcore, random and live. It's 12:07:30 AM Melbourne time. We've gone over past midnight breaking. We're doing 9 rolls for participants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we do the player draw. Going 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And I'm complete. The player thing is Brendan Cat, Daniel Thorpe, Clyde Drexler, Chris Halkias, Dr. J, Brendan, Ben Simmons, Shane Murphy, Hakeem Olajuwon, Jared Widmark, Alonzo Mourning, Ruben Thonmaker, Paul Adams, George Gervin, Kane, Jamal Murray, Jared again, DeMarcus Cousins, Joshy Keith, Michael Jordan, Jesus again, Rodney, Jerry West, Eugene Yu, Dirk, Mark Zara, Stephen Curry, Kiwi, Allen Iverson, Matus, Kevin Love, Kane with Larry Bird, Brendan, Dennis Rodman, Matus, Magic Johnson, Justin Marsh, Zach LaVine, Alana with LeBron, Adam Bartley, Wiggins, Eugene Yu, Markel Fultz, Adam Klimas, Porzingis, Kane Mulvey, Penny Hardaway, Mr. Odd with Vince Carter, and Kane with Elgin Baylor. And that is the list. And I'll be breaking in 10 minutes.